Hello and welcome. I'm Dina and this is a short 10-minute Yoga Nidra practice you can enjoy at the end of your yoga session or any time you need deep rest. Find a comfortable position lying on your back in savasana. Close your eyes, let your body relax and simply follow the sound of my voice. Let's begin. Feel your whole body resting on the floor. Let your weight be supported, sinking down into the ground. Take a slow breath in and gently sigh it out. Now bring to mind a gentle intention, a short positive statement. It might be, I am calm and at ease, or I welcome rest and healing. Repeat it silently 3 times. We will now move awareness throughout the body. As I name each part, simply notice it and relax. We start with the right side, right hand thumb, index finger, middle, ring, little finger, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, big toe, second toe, third, fourth, little toe. And now to the left side, left hand thumb, index finger, middle, ring, little finger, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, big toe, second toe, third, fourth, little toe. Now to the back of the body, heels, calves, thighs, buttocks, lower back, middle back, shoulder blades, back of the head, front of the body, forehead, eyes, cheeks, nose, lips, chin, throat, chest, heart, abdomen, pelvis. Feel your whole body lying here, still and at ease. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the belly gently rising as you inhale and softening as you exhale. Follow 10 slow breaths backward. Inhale for 10. Exhale 10. Inhale 9. Exhale 9. And continue like this until you reach 1. If the mind wanders, gently return it to the breath. Now imagine a calm place in nature, perhaps a quiet lake at sunset, golden light dancing on the ripples, or a soft forest path, sunlight streaming through the trees. See yourself resting there, safe, peaceful, supported. Allow this image to fill your whole being with ease. And now, return to your intention from the beginning. Repeat it silently 3 times with trust and softness. Bring awareness back to your body on the floor, to the sounds around you, to your breath. Begin to gently move your fingers and toes. Take your time to stretch or roll to one side. And when you feel ready, slowly sit up. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you feel rested, calm and renewed. If this Yoga Nidra supported you, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. And if you'd like more yoga and meditation practices designed for you, please subscribe and save this session to return to whenever you need it. See you in the next practice. Namaste.